U.S. Air Defense System in action. The United States has one of the most advanced and layered air defense systems in the world, designed to protect its territory, military assets, and allies from aerial threats such as aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. The system operates on a multi-layered concept, meaning that different technologies and platforms work together to intercept enemy threats at various ranges and altitudes. Among the most recognizable systems is the Patriot Air Defense System, which is widely used both by the U.S. Army and by allied nations. When a U.S. air defense system is in action, the process begins with detection and tracking. Advanced radars, such as the AN/MPQ-65 radar used with the Patriot system, continuously scan the skies to identify any incoming targets. These radars can track multiple objects simultaneously, distinguishing between friendly aircraft, civilian air traffic, and potential enemy threats. Once a target is detected, the system rapidly calculates its speed, altitude, and trajectory to determine whether it poses a danger. If the radar confirms a hostile missile or aircraft, the system shifts to the engagement phase. Operators inside command centers receive automatic alerts and recommendations from the computer system, but the final authorization to launch an interceptor usually comes from trained military personnel. Once authorized, the launch sequence begins. The moment of action is dramatic. A Patriot missile launcher fires an interceptor missile with great speed, producing a powerful blast of fire, smoke, and dust as it streaks into the sky. These interceptors are guided by radar and onboard systems to close in on the target. Unlike traditional explosives that detonate nearby, many interceptors are designed to achieve a hit-to-kill impact, destroying the incoming threat by direct collision. This method ensures higher accuracy and reduces the risk of debris falling on civilian areas. The effectiveness of the U.S. air defense system lies in its layered structure. For short-range threats like drones or low-flying cruise missiles, systems such as the Avenger and NASAM's National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System are deployed. For medium to long-range threats, the Patriot system takes over. Against more sophisticated ballistic missiles, the U.S. relies on systems like the THAAD Terminal High Altitude Area Defense and even the Aegis Ballistic Missile Defense System deployed on Navy ships. Together, these platforms form a shield that provides overlapping protection. During real operations, communication between different branches, Army, Navy, Air Force, and Allied forces, is crucial. Data from satellites, early warning radars, and aircraft like the AWACS Airborne Warning and Control System are shared across the defense network, ensuring that threats are detected as early as possible. In recent conflicts, U.S. air defense systems have been tested against modern threats such as ballistic missile strikes and drone swarms. Their performance has proven their value, though experts acknowledge that evolving technologies, especially hypersonic missiles, continue to challenge defense planners. In conclusion, when the U.S. air defense system is in action, it represents not just the launch of a missile but the coordination of technology, strategy, and human decision-making. It is a combination of radar detection, rapid communication, precision-guided interceptors, and well-trained personnel working together to ensure protection against the growing spectrum of aerial threats.